Welcome back to Whitt Acres, everybody. I'm Cody, Echo's back air, and we're gardening at home. Let's go. Today's mid-March sometime. I don't know the actual date, but I'm in the main flower bed here doing some weeding. I got all the way across this mound already, all cleaned up, and now I just have a little bit here to go before I'm finished. And I just wanted to show you really what to do whenever you pull out a bunch of weeds that you can't actually just throw in your compost, because they can keep growing and spreading from your compost. And this works with whenever you're pulling out in the fall and there's a bunch of seedy weeds that you don't want to throw in your compost because you don't get a hot compost. It might not kill all those seeds, and then you got a really seedy, weedy bed in the spring whenever you put that compost in your garden. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling out all these weeds, and you really want to get as much of the root as possible. And then what I do is I take these weeds and I put them into a black garbage bag. So I got this whole garbage bag filled with leaves and any of the dead material, some wood chips, everything I'm pulling out of the bed to clean it up. Pull all those out, throw them in the garbage bag, and then what I'll do is take it down to the compost. Take it down to my compost, throw it behind the compost corral, and just let it sit, get some sun down there, and it'll just heat up and decompose over the whole year. It's going to be a slow compost, so it'll take at least the whole year. I'll check it in the spring and see if it's worth using and dumping on a bed. That's just a way to utilize everything you have on the homestead, and you get something out of it. You get some good compost in the end instead of just throwing it over in a corner and letting it rot and do nothing for you. I'll be using them, so the weeds are actually helping us out here too. So I just want to show you what I do with my weeds and the stuff that I can't throw in my compost, but I still want to get something out of it. So I hope this little trick helps you out, and if you want to do it, you try it out and get some good compost out of it. Alright, that's all for this one. We'll see you on the next one.